Imagine a kitchen that anticipates your needs and makes cooking a breeze. This video explores 5 of the most innovative AI-powered kitchen gadgets available in 2025, showcasing how they can transform your culinary experience. Number 1.
Your private robot chef. Nimble lives on your kitchen countertop and cooks delicious food for you, just the way you like it. Here's how it works. Select a recipe, load chopped ingredients into A, B, C, and D, load up oil and water,
Add in the right spice pods.
and hit cook. Nimble takes over and drops things into the pan at the right time and temperature, just like a chef. Through the built-in camera, Nimble watches over your food, heats,
Sautés.
and stirs, just like a chef. Checks the consistency, checks the doneness, seasons it, and cooks your food to perfection. Well, you get it, just like a chef. With Nimble, choose from over 500 recipes, get real-time updates on your mobile, eat great food always.
Number 2.
Come a little closer. I wanna dance with you. I've been looking at you all night, trying to figure you out. I just wanna make you smile. Hold your hand in my hand, looking at the sunset. Man, you're looking good tonight. I wanna kiss you before the sun goes down. It's what you're doing, making me feel like I'm falling. And when you're moving, I can hear my calling. There's no one else here that I see but you. It's what you're doing that's making me feel like I'm falling. Yeah, I'm falling in love. You set my wheels in motion. I'm going crazy for you. Eyes blue like the ocean. I can see you want this too. I wanna kiss you before the sun goes down. It's what you're doing, it's making me feel like I'm falling. And when you're moving, I can hear my calling. There's no one else here that I see but you. It's what you're doing that's making me feel like I'm falling. Yeah, I'm falling in love. I wanna kiss you before the sun goes down. It's what you're doing, making me feel like I'm falling. And when you're moving, I can hear my calling. There's no
Hi Bixby, turn off the oven.
but you. It's what you're doing that's making me feel like I'm falling. Yeah, I'm falling in love. Yeah, I'm falling in love.
Number 3. Number 4.
Hi Alexa, set the temperature to 200 degrees.
Okay.
Number 5.
Say your name like a mantra. So cool, make me want ya. I've been good like I ought to. So come to me like karma. I've been here all day, waiting on my sign of things. Just give me a taste. Won't you be my diamond ring? I love the way you make it look, make it look, make it look easy. Come on, won't you make it look, make it look, make it look easy. Make it look easy. Make it look easy. We could go to the plaza or anywhere that we wanna. Live it up for the drama. Make it hot, make it lava. We've been here all day. Won't you be my diamond ring? Make it look easy. 1, 2, 3, come with me. We can make it look easy. 1, 2, 3, count on me. We can make it look easy.
Thank you for watching, and don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for more exciting content.